Today we are unboxing a specific sneaker. Yes, Converse have launched a lot of different sneakers, different silhouettes, and when you think about Converse, there is only one pair that comes to your mind, that is the Converse All Stars or the Converse Chuck 70s. But right now they are doing a lot of different Converses, and I am super excited about one specific pair. Here it is. This is a very interesting, very non-Converse looking pair, because a lot of times Converse, you think Converse does a lot of sneakers which looks similar to Converse, but they'll tweak something here and there and it will be called a Converse. But this one is pretty unique, and I've seen a lot of good colorways of this particular pair. So let's unbox one specific color which I personally liked. So without wasting any of the time, let's unbox it. What is up, people? This one Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I don't want to waste any of the time. Let's unbox this pair because I am super excited. So let's go. This is Converse All Star Classic Trainer OX, a full suede upper with gum bottom. That in itself is a classic combination, and to make it extra beautiful, we have this sky blue color which looks so good on this pair. I just cannot explain. And to contrast that sky blue, you have that white Converse logo on the sides and white laces on them. This is just a beautiful piece of art. Talking about the quality of the suede on the sneaker, this is premium suede. This feels so good in hand. You will only understand this when you have the sneaker in hand. And to add that cherry on top, you get that all-star embossed in gold, which makes the sneaker look very premium. The one thing that excites me on this pair of sneaker is the toe box. It is very unique, something you don't see regularly, and that makes the sneaker very interesting. Obviously, this is not a sneaker that everyone would like, but I feel this is something very unique from Converse. I know, I get it. It looks very simple, very plain, very normal kind of a sneaker, but it is not. When you get the sneaker in hand, you will understand how premium this feels in hand, and it is something which does not scream Converse. So that is the reason I feel this is pretty unique. So recently Converse has launched the Converse 1990s, the puffy Converse All Stars, the Converse 1 Star, the Converse 1 Star Highs, a lot of different Converse, but this I feel stands out. Talking about the comfort and the sizing on this pair, this is decently comfortable, not very uncomfortable, not very spongy under your feet. It is decently comfortable, how normal Converses are. Then talking about the quality, it is great, like very beautiful, very premium quality sneaker. Talking about the sizing, it fits true to size. I am a UK 8 guy, this is UK 8 and fits me very well. Now talking about the most important thing, that is the pricing. This pair retails for 5,999 rupees. That is almost 6,000 rupees. I have linked all the different sneakers Converse have launched recently in the description. You can go and check it out. And I want you guys to tell me something. Will you still prefer the traditional Converse Chuck 70, or do you like this one? And if you are a Converse fanboy and if you want to see some different Converses which traditionally does not look like this, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you guys next time in the next video. Till then, peace.